Okay, I've got Shelby. I've got your work up. I've got your work up right here. Okay, sorry, there it is. And I just want to show you a couple of things with this being a gatefold. And you've got the two colors. You got the pink and black, so that's awesome. I just want to make sure that you are aware that this pink right here is not a shade of this pink right here. These look like they could be. You'll have to check those. But this would be actually another color. So you have to make sure that these hands are all shades of the same pink, okay? Right now it doesn't look like it is, so please check that. So anyways, the other thing I want to do is I want to remind you this is a gatefold, okay? So that being said, I'm going to guess that this would be the front, and then this would be the inside spread. Okay, so if this is the front, there's no information at all, and I really think we need to get some information on here, something to tell the viewer. Plus, don't forget, this is a typography class, so we have to have type. So you really got to get some information on the front. And then the back, now, don't forget this will be opening like French doors, okay? So with a gatefold, I'm just going to draw some guides roughly where the folds will be. So there's at the 4 inches, roughly. I drew it at 4. It's a little bit less than that, but your center panel will definitely be 12 inches wide. And what you can see what that does, and let's do that over here too, but what you can see what that does is it kind of gives you an automatic little grid to work within, okay? And so you'll just know that by looking at this, if this is your front, okay, so if these are the front parts that fold over, and this would be the back as we're looking at these were folded in, you'll need some typography on here, but you can see exactly where the folds are and where the typography belongs. Now we take a look at the inside, and we can see that you have this built-in grid, basically, with the folds. So I would suggest you use that grid to assemble the parts of your, for example, of your presentation. For example, this logo right here. By the way, if this is your logo, that's good. If it's not, you have to credit it somewhere. Please let me know. Same thing with this graphic right here. We need to know if those are yours or not. If not, please, you absolutely need to get some credits in here. So this being the logo, see how it spans the center, the fold? So what would happen is that in a gatefold, this would be the part we're looking at as we unfold it. So these fold in like French doors, okay, and that would be that other side. But then, so when you open it up, you know, this panel should be designed accordingly, and so should this, and so should this. So this is spanning the two panels doesn't really make sense. Do you see what I'm saying? So I want you to keep that in mind moving forward. And I know you said you're not done adding text and assuming text boxes, etc., and assembling the rest of the verbiage of the project. But please keep that forward. Keep that in mind moving forward. Okay. I think your typographic hierarchy is okay, but again, I really want you to pay attention to grid. Okay. Good job. Thanks.